Hello, I've just had to shut the door because the lorikeets are going bananas out there. But this is a little exciting. I'm so excited. I haven't even opened it. Again, working on something new, which am I ever not working on something new? This has sort of been in the works for a while, but not sort of... I wasn't working on it, but it was just sitting in the back of my brain. So, oh, the cover's nice. Oh, okay. So, look. Oh, and look on the back. Look who it's from. Oh, this is fantastic. So this is my proof copy, which is why it says not for resale, because otherwise you could just order proofs and sell them. But oh, look. Oh, these are perfect. I got the bleed right and everything. I was so worried that I could have gotten it wrong. But yeah, so what I've done is they have no back on the pages, so that you can use any sort of medium, and if it bleeds it doesn't matter. So yeah, this one is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Look at these. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. The cover feels. Oh, I didn't go for gloss. I went for matte, but it's got the matte covers are kind of like satiny. They've got like a really nice feel. So, all right, so I can set that to live, and that's fantastic. So the front cover, front page is like the workbooks. I'm carrying that through. The workbooks say organise your life. These ones say colour your life. And, you know, the belongs to and please return to is the same. So, yeah. But I'm pretty stoked with this. And they did put a... No, they didn't. They did it on the back. Oh, they just put it on the back of that. Okay. When I did my soap book, I had to, no, not the soap book, the workbooks, I had to put a spare blank page in the back for them to put, for Amazon to put this in, right? But that is just on the back of the last page. So, yeah. Oh, I'm so excited. Yep, so that's it. I've got a half a dozen at least made. There's two of these, two Dragon Princess books. Oh, what else? I can't even remember off the top of my head. I cannot remember. I'm just too excited at the moment. I'm also pouring candles and doing the washing, and I'm having a I'm sick of just not getting shit done day to day, and I knew this was coming today because I got a notification yesterday from Amazon that was coming yesterday, and yesterday was Sunday, so clearly they have no clue that we don't get posts on Sundays in this country. God forbid that someone would work on a Sunday. No, I get it. I mean, no one wants to work 7 days a week, but I mean, no one does. And yet here I am. I was working yesterday. So that's the new thing. So when you see this video, this one at the very least will be up on Amazon for sale. I will look into how much author copies cost, because author copies don't cost the same as retail, because of course they don't. But I don't know that it will be worth it, because I've got, I think, $16.49 on this or something like that. And off of that on Amazon I make $3. Like literally, I make $3. They make 13, I make 3. So it's pretty shitty, because what they do, I mean, it's not shitty, it's a way to do things. Is you get charged for it to be printed, and then the 40% is it 40% or 60%? I don't know whether I get the 40% or the 60%, is taken off the remainder. Like it doesn't, like if you charge $16 for your book, they don't take their 40% from the $16. They take their 40% from what's left after you've paid for the printing, and the printing is quite expensive. So, and I mean, these are like, although the glossy and the matte covers don't cost any different, and I mean, you wouldn't do anything other than black and white pages anyway. You can do cream pages. I don't think that they're more expensive, but you wouldn't want to do it anyway. So I'm really excited to just colour one of these, honestly. And I've coloured on Amazon paper before, and I don't think it's that bad, actually. It's not quite as nice as the digital premium paper that I use in my planners and stuff. It's not quite as nice as that. And it's definitely not as nice as, say, like Derwent art paper or anything like that, because it's, you know, it's printed at Amazon. But it's really not that horrible to colour on. So that's why I decided I was going to go this way, because I was originally going to just print them myself and print them on art paper, but the cost to do that myself, being just a regular human being and not like some big printing company, was just like, I would have made maybe $1. So there was no point, and it would have cost me a lot to outlay. So this is how it's happening, but I'm so happy with this. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Now I just have to get all my keywords and SEO correct, and yeah, but yeah, when you see this video, this will be up on Amazon. I will try and remember to leave a link in the, as John Green likes to say, the doobly-doo. So, which is the description. I just find it highly amusing that an award-winning author calls the description box the doobly-doo. Like, anyway. So, alright, so that was 7 minutes of me waffling on about my book, but I'm very, very happy with that. So, yeah. Cool beans. I think I did a bloody good job. I did a bloody good job. I did a bloody good